This is WIKO U Pulse, and today I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the settings, then enter the Google category. Onwards, go for the Manage Your Google Account option. Get started. Now open the Data and Privacy section, scroll it all the way down, and tap at the Delete Your Google Account option. Then, in order to continue, we will need to input the child's Google account password real quick, so let me do that off the screen. And at the following page, simply finish the account deletion. Once the Google account gets deleted, it might take some time for the system to acknowledge those changes and to synchronize everything properly. But as far as I can see, it already did, so let me show that to you. So if I'll go to the settings and enter the Google category again, you'll see that there is no longer Google account over here, and if I will open the list of parental controls, there should be none, but here they are nonetheless. Well, that's fine. As I've already said, it takes some time for the system to acknowledge those changes, but from the fact that there is no Google account, it already identifies that the parental controls are, well, no more. So just give it some time to synchronize everything. And if you would like to recover the account we have just deleted, you will need to sign into the Play Store or any other Google app with it. That is a very simple procedure to make. So I'll just log into the Play Store. So start by inputting the account email address, obviously. Then after you do that, you should see the following message. To continue, input the account password real quick. And more often than not, you will see the something went wrong error. That's completely normal. Simply re-enter your Google account credentials. And second time, or well, the second try will be 100% successful. I mean, if you will enter correct credentials, of course, but you will not get any errors or problems. Just finish the login, and well, by the sole fact that we are able to log into the Play Store with the account, you can already tell that it has been successfully recovered. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.